morning, student, class 12. Today we will start your chapter 1. This is the relation and function. I hope that you will be studying at home something regarding that one. Due to problem, we have not started. But by online, we are trying our best to give you something. The thing we are teaching you, not in detail but in short, this will help you. So there are many chapters in class 12. Your first chapter is relation and function. This chapter not very easy, so not very difficult. The name of chapter is relation and function. I taught in class 11 what is relation and what is function in thoroughly in detail. But now this chapter is again in class 12 is given by the council. So again, I will explain it. But something is elaborately explained in class 12. But last year concept is compulsory. Previous knowledge is compulsory. Without previous knowledge of the relation and function, and especially I am talking about the set, you cannot understand this theory of the relation. Your one chapter, this is the first chapter, and weightage of the marks will be 6 or 7 in your examination. So we will just move the chapter relation and function. Relation and function. What is the relation? What is function? Before we start the relation and function, we have to study the set theory. Set. Because without set, we cannot study the relation and function. What is set? You know what is set? Set. Set is the collection of same types of objects. What is the meaning of same type of object? Same type of objects means exactly the things belong to the same category. Examples. If I talk to you, or if you go to the book store and you ask the shopkeeper, sir, please give us the class 9th ICSE book set, then what do you got in book set? Math, physics, chemistry, English, Hindi, etc. Can you tell me, all these books belong to the same class or the different class? Answer is of same class. So I am talking of the same type of object. Same type means all the book belongs to the 9th class. No book will from the other class. Another example is, if I am talking about the set of the fruits. Set of fruit means what? You can take papaya, orange, apple, grapes. This is what? Same type of object. And third example, if I am talking about the Indian currency note, set of Indian currency note, then rupee 1 note is available, rupee 2 note is available, rupees 5 note is available, rupees 10 note is available, rupees 20 note is available, rupees 50 note is available, rupees 100 note is available. Now rupees 200 note is available, rupees 500 note is available, and rupees 2000 note is available. What is this? This is the set of the Indian currency. So you see, what are these all? This is the same type of object. I hope with the help of these example set will be clear. And after that, one thing, I am not teaching you the set in detail. The thing we needed to teach the set, those points I will discuss here. Now second thing, set A. Let us suppose set of four natural number 1, 2, 3 and 4. What is set of four number means just you write the four number. Make sure some property of the set. These are all called the elements. Other name of these are member, entities, entries. Always set is always written in the parenthesis or middle bracket. All the elements written in the braces will be separated by comma. And another thing is, repeating is not allowed in the element of the set like this. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4. No, not allowed. Only once you write. That is what? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Another example is what India. India. Please write the set of the India. What do you write? I, N, D, A. This is set of India. Make sure set always is represented by the capital letter of alphabet. You may write C, D, E, P, no problem. Simple. So how will you read this one? How will you read this set? How will you read it? A is the set of first four natural number. Very simple. Now, what are the subset? Subset is the compulsory part. Suppose I am taking one more example. I am taking a small example. Suppose 1, 2, 3 is the set of first three natural number. What are subset? Subset means children of a given set. Okay. See, total number of subsets. This is a formula 2 power n. N is what? 1, 2, 3. That is 3. 2 power 3. 2 power 3 means that is 8. So total number of subset of this set will be 8. Please write the subsets. So subsets are 5. This is an empty set, or you can write 5. No problem. This is same thing. Second is 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 4 is not here. Empty set, or 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's end. Total 8 subset will form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So subset means children of the given set. You may write 1 is subset of 1, 2, 3, right? Or you may write 1 is subset of A. No problem. Subset of A. Clear? You can also mention the different name of these subsets. For example, you may write P equal to this one, Q equal to 1, you may write R equal to 2, no problem, S equal to 3. This is a symbol. So finally you can write P is subset of A, Q is subset of A, R is subset of R. What is the name of R? R is 2. So R is subset of A. Means R is child of A. Or we can write it means of R is that is 2 subset of A. The same mean, same value. Subset symbol will be written like this. Sometimes like this. Clear? These are the subset. I am talking an important concept, that is what? Cardinal number. cardinal number. What is the cardinal number? Suppose a set A 1, 2, 3 and 4. Cardinal number means number of member, number of element present in the set. This is symbolically written NA equal to what? 4. Suppose one more example, set B. Set B means suppose Rohit, sir, Divyan sir, Rajan sir, and Kapoor sir. If I ask you, please write the set of the 4 Indian Heritage School teachers. So you write the 4 then name, not particularly. What is the cardinal number? Means number of teacher. That is what 4. Second thing is Cartesian product. Cartesian product. Cartesian product means product of the two sets. Suppose let a set A, that is 1, 2, and another set, this is B, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. So we will write A cross B. This is A cross B is the Cartesian product. A. Simply write 1, 2 multiply 3, 4, 5. Clear? One thing. 1 multiply with every element of another set B. You will write in always in order pair. One thing I am telling you, what is order pair? Order pair means pair. Two object AB. This is first and this is second. Make sure two order pair AB change the value, reverse the position will not be equal. Both are the separate things. Because Ram, Sita. What is the relation? You will say Ram is the husband of Sita. It is clear. But if you change the Sita here or Ram here, then you cannot say Sita is the husband of Ram. Clear? So this is the difference between the position. If we are changing the position, so meaning will be also changed. But you can say Sita is not the husband of Ram. It is right. Or you can say Sita is the wife of Ram. Different meaning. So we will discuss in detail when we are teaching the relation. Before start the lesson, this concept is required. So I am teaching. So just now we are on ending. So A cross B, right? 1. This is also a set. 1 multiplied by 3. So 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5. Make sure this is behave. This order pair, this order pair, this order pair, this order pair, all order pairs behave like the member. Member means behave like the element as they are. So we'll say the order pair. This is behave like an element. This is also element. This is also element. This is also element. All are element. Then A cross B. This is what? Cartesian product. Clear? Then what is the cardinal number in this product? Cardinal number means number of element in the set. This is a special type of set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total number of element are 6. Or simply in set A, how many member? NA. NA what? 2. NB 3. NA into NB means what? 2 into 3 is what? So you can say NA into NB equal to NA cross B. 2 into 3, that is 6. This is also 6. 6 equal to 6. This is the what we have studied, the Cartesian product. Cartesian product is the important part. We will not discuss about the what type of representation of a set. There are 3 types of representation of set: description method, roster method or tabular method. Third is set builder form or rule method. In maximum question, writer or mathematician use the set builder form of the representation of the element of a set. Okay, just we are giving the briefing about the relation totally based on the theory of the set. What is a relation? As I told the one example, Ram and Sita. So relation. What is relation? What is relation? Relation means a subset of Cartesian product A cross B from set A to set B. Make sure set A and set B are non-empty. If they are empty, meaningless. Simply, what is relation? Relation is an association, or relation is a subset of Cartesian product A cross B from set A to set B. For example, 1, 2, 3. 1 square 1. Suppose a set 1, 1, 2, and another set is B. 1, 4, or 9. Then you find the A cross B. 1, 1, 1, 4. Right? Cartesian product. 2, 1, 2, 4, 2, 9. This is what Cartesian product. As I told you again, a relation is a subset of Cartesian product. तो जो हमको दो सेट दिए हैं, उन सेट्स का कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ये होगा. उन कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट में से जो कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट आएगा उसी में से एक रिलेशन फॉर्म होगा. Relation may be any. Our question is, sir, what relation? Sir, how many relation can be formed? So very simple. See, how many elements are here? That is what 2. How many elements are there? This is what 3. So please learn one formula. Total number of relation. Total number of relation from set A to set B are 2m into n. What is meaning of m? M is number of elements present in set A. This is what 2 into. N means number of elements present in set B. This is what 3. 2 power 6, or 2 power 6 means 2 to the 4, to the 8, to the 16, to the 64. That is what 128. So total number of 128 relation can be formed with the help of these numbers. But 124 relation no one can learn. It is very difficult to us write these 128 relation. So one or two relation can be given in the questions, and if you recognize the relation and you write the solution. I give the solution. Relation square of this is relation. Square of relation means R. Check the relation, square of relation. 1 का square 1, right? This is relation. Square of relation means 1 square is 1 here. And any pair of relation, 1 square 9 no, 2 square 1 no, 2 square 4 yes, this is relation. 2 square 9 no, this is relation you can get from here. One can say multiple of 1 is multiple of 1, yes, no, you cannot say. This is relation. Or you can say divisible by. Yeah, factor of different relation can be formed. In detail, in the next lecture, we will discuss about the relation, type of relation. I am telling you empty relation, identity relation, reflexive relation, symmetric relation, and transitive relation, universal relation. Empty relation and universal relation are known as trivial relation. Trivial relation means insignificant relation. So in detail we will discuss in next video, and including this we also study in this chapter function, definition of function, above function, for function, and binary operation. So this chapter is not very easy, not very difficult, but conceptual, totally conceptual this chapter. So please give that time and we will try to solve all the problems. Next we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.